thunderstorm watch is in effect for City of Saskatoon, RM of Great Bend including Radisson and Borden, RM of Laird including Waltheim, Hepburn and Laird, RM of Roughthorne including Roughthorne, Hague and Carleton, RM of Eagle Creek including Lowly and Sunningdale, RM of Corman Park including Martensville, Warman and Langham, RM of Purdue including Purdue and Kenley, RM of Vanscoy including Delisle, Asquith and Vanscoy, RM of Aberdeen including Aberdeen, RM of Grant including Vaughan de Prudhomme and Smuts, RM of Blucher including Allen, Clavat, Bradwell and Elstow, RM of Montrose including Donovan and Swanson and RM of Dundurn including Dundurn and Blackstrap Roth Park.
10h52 HNC le jeudi 23 juin 2022, une veille d'orage violent heure normale de l'est en vigueur pour ville de Saskatoon, MR de Great Bend incluant Radisson et Borden, MR de Laird incluant Waldheim, Hepburn et Laird, MR de Roughthorne incluant Roughthorne et Carleton, MR d'Eagle Creek incluant Veroli et Sunningdale, MR de Corman Park incluant Martensville, Warman et Lingham, MR de Perdue incluant Perdue et Kinley, MR de Vanscoy incluant Delisle, Asquith et Vanscoy, MR d'Aberdeen incluant Aberdeen, MR de Grant incluant Vaughan de Prudhomme et Smuts, MR de Blucher incluant Allen, Clavel, Bradwell et Elstow, MR de Montrose incluant Donovan et Swanson et MR de Dundurn incluant Dundurn et Blackstrap Prof. Park.